It may be a common sight these days on the streets of Beverly Hills, but the Mercedes-AMG G63's roots date back to 1979, when the original G-Class SUV was an all-business military off-roader. Years later, the G63 version became renowned for its boxy styling, high-end interior finishes, audacious twin-turbo V8 engine, and off-road prowess, a high-performance all-terrain luxury SUV with an iconic backstory. The current G63 is based on the slightly less ostentatious Mercedes-Benz G550, but under the AMG's hood is a 577 horsepower twin-turbo V8. All-wheel drive and a 9-speed automatic transmission are standard. The G63 can rip up a drag strip just as easily as it can tiptoe down a jagged mountain trail. After completing both of those tasks, it can then be used to turn heads as you pull up to the valet stand at a posh eatery. Really, the only thing not to like about this luxury off-roader is its six-figure price tag. But that's the cost of excellence and exclusivity mixed with an equal helping of outrageousness. What's new for 2025? The G63 sees some light styling changes for 2025, which are intended to improve the cube-shaped SUV's aerodynamics. A revised grille and front bumper combine with reshaped A-pillars and a subtle rooftop spoiler above the windshield to help the G63 more easily cut through the air. Elsewhere, the twin-turbo V8 gains a 48-volt hybrid system. A new hydraulic adaptive suspension system is optional. AMG has made its version of the G-Class more capable off-road, giving the performance SUV better wheel articulation and some new all-terrain driving modes. The G Professional package is optional on the G63 starting this year as well, and it adds more aggressive off-road gear and special interior trim. All models benefit from infotainment upgrades. The brand's MBUX interface is new to the G-Class this year and features some G-specific features for off-roading, including a new 360-degree camera system that can show the driver what's directly underneath the vehicle. The G63 is due in Mercedes-AMG dealers in the second half of 2024. There's also now an electric version of the G-Class, which we review separately. Engine, transmission, and performance. The G63 relies on a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, making 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. The V8 is aided by a 48-volt hybrid system, but it doesn't provide any electric-only driving range. A 9-speed automatic funnels torque to the all-wheel drive system, 4MATIC in Mercedes marketing lingo, with low range and triple locking differentials, center, front, and rear, to ensure maximum traction should the driver venture off-road. The AMG treatment extends to the suspension, fine-tuning it to handle the extra power on-road while retaining off-road capability. While the G's independent front suspension is much improved over the previous generation's solid front axle setup, the stability control keeps a tight-fisted hold on this top-heavy brute, limiting its cornering grip to a mere 0.75 G on our 300-foot diameter skid pad. Many high-performance SUVs stick to the pavement far better than the G63, but few can match its off-road chops. In our initial test drive, we were impressed by the newly optional hydraulic adaptive suspension, which provides a smoother ride both on and off-road. 0 to 60 mph times. No slouch. A 5,800-pound 2019 G63 rocketed to 60 mph in just 3.9 seconds in CD testing. That model didn't have the 2025's 48-volt hybrid system, but we expect the new version to be no quicker. When we get a chance, we'll test the 2025 G63 and update this story with the results. Towing and payload capacity. The G63 has a maximum towing capacity of 7,716 pounds, and trailer stability assist software is included. Though it's improbable anyone would utilize a G63 as a primary tow vehicle, the capability is there if you need it. Fuel economy and real-world MPG fuel efficiency is but an afterthought for the G63, and we suspect the hybrid system and aerodynamic elements won't improve the SUV's EPA estimates much from the current model's 13 mpg city and 16 mpg highway. When we get a chance, we'll take the G63 on our 75-mile-per-hour highway fuel economy route and update this story with real-world test results. For more information about G-Class fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Although the G-Class's basic square-shouldered profile remains, the interior benefits from the same high-quality materials and tech and convenience accoutrement that dot the Mercedes lineup. There's leather upholstery, a 12.0-inch digital instrument panel, cup holders, and a surround-view camera system. Heated front and rear seats and leather-bound AMG steering wheel also make the standard list. Taller drivers and passengers will find plenty of head and leg room in both the front and rear. Around the back of the G-Class, there's still no power liftgate, and you'll need to be in good shape to open the side-hinged gate, which has a full-size spare tire mounted on it. With the rear seats up, you'll have 38 cubic feet of cargo space. Folding them down, 60-40 split, provides nearly 69 cubic feet. Infotainment and connectivity. Each G63 includes a 12.3-inch infotainment interface with Mercedes' MBUX software interface. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation are standard equipment. A Burmester surround sound system, 3 12-volt power outlets, and a household AC outlet in the cargo area help keep things civil. Also included is a 3-year subscription to Mercedes-Benz's connected car services, which provides basic features such as remote engine start and stolen vehicle tracking. Options include Wi-Fi and a rear entertainment system, which features dual 11.6-inch touchscreens that can stream video content and browse the web. Safety and driver assistance features. The Mercedes-AMG G63's driver assistance aids are similar to the features offered elsewhere in the corporate lineup. It includes adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. A more advanced adaptive cruise control system with a lane centering feature is optional. For more information about the G63's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key safety features include 1. Standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. 2. Standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. 3. Available adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature warranty and maintenance coverage. Mercedes-AMG's limited and powertrain warranties are on par with other high-end SUVs. Instead of complimentary scheduled maintenance, however, there are prepaid maintenance plans available at extra cost when you purchase your G63. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.